Are you also tired of boring study sessions? If you are a student, then you already know that you have to learn day and night to score your desired result. So, to make learning fun and easy, I'm here for you to make you learn anything and everything effectively, and that too in just 5 steps. When you sit opening up your pictureless black and white books, thinking that you will be able to learn at least something, but I don't think it will really happen. हाँ, हो सकता है some genius might be able to do that, but मेरे से तो नहीं होता यार. So, step 1 is to make a to-do list, which will actually help you to stay more focused and will give you clarity of what is needed to be done. Step 2 is to grab up some highlighters, sketches, colored pens, whatever you have, and read out loud. Also, while reading, mark the key points with complete understanding. You can also use sticky notes to make it more engaging. Now, step number 3 is after you are done reading and highlighting the important text, take up a notebook and start writing the key points in your own handwriting. This will help you to retain the information for a longer duration. Notes can be simple, or you can use colored pens to highlight the different text. You can also make charts of concept which will help you to memorize easily. Now, step number 4. Start reading out those notes and try to grasp the concept rather than cramming it mindlessly. When you are done mugging up the concepts as well as the theory, now comes the step number 5. What you have to do is revision. Effective revision once in 2 weeks or as you prefer is necessary, which will improve your understanding and retention of concept. Lastly, some of the mistakes that you should avoid while learning are: never sit and learn for a longer duration, take breaks after each hour or two. Don't sit at one place rather than walk by and learn. So these were some of my tips that helped me to excel learning. I hope it will help you too. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe.